In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a screenshot into a smartphone frame using Canva. You can use images, screenshots, any kind of graphics, whatever you'd like to do. So I want to do a screenshot of this newsletter that I've created. For the Chrome extension that I like to use it's SCRNLI. So if you go to the Google Chrome extension store and you type in SCRNLI, you can insert this into your bar up top, and you can do screenshots of entire website pages, the visible pages, or larger pages. So I'm going to click that extension, the little blue circle, and I want to just select a specific area. So I'm going to click this selected area section. Ooh, and I have a little puppy today, but she's only with me for one day, but I wanted to show her off because she's a little sad. Okay, let me start over. We're going to click the blue dot, click selected area, and then we're just going to grab the piece of the screen that we want if we just want a part of it. So I'm going to see how that looks. And then we're going to click download image, and then that's going to go into my download section. So let's see how that looks. I'm going to click on the download, rename it. Oh, this puppy's crying so much. So let's name it newsletter screenshot. Poor baby. Okay, so we've got newsletter screenshot. We've renamed that. So now what we're going to do is open up Canva and then go in the upper right hand corner and click create design. We'll give you one more look at the puppy. Look how cute. Look how cute Lorelei is. Love this puppy. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to create a custom size. I want it to be 300 width, and the pixels are 380, or the height is 380 and the width is 300 pixels. And then I'm going to click create new design, and then we're going to pop over here into the menu on the left side, click on where it says uploads. It's a cloud with a little arrow inside of it, and then click the purple button that says upload files. And then I'm going to paste into there. It's screenshot, newsletter screenshot. This is what we want. Okay, so that is now in our upload section. These are all images that I've uploaded into Canva, and you have the same capability as well. So to add a phone screen, or you can add a computer screen, whatever kind of screen you want, you'll click elements on the left hand side. It's the second graphic down on the menu, and you can type in smartphone, and let's just type in smartphone and see what pops up. So you're going to see down here there are frames. So anything that has the clouds in it, those are smartphone frames you can use. But I'm going to type in smartphone frames, and let's see if we get more options here. Okay, so anything with the frame, the circle, the square, these are all things you can add images into, and it will crop them correctly. So I'm going to grab this phone screen, drag it into my canvas, and make it the appropriate size. Then I'm going to go over to the upload section, and I'm going to pop in, I'm going to drag in that screenshot that I had. So that looks pretty good. I don't love that it cuts off the letters in the newsletter. So what I want to do is go back to my Chrome browser, this newsletter that I wanted. So we're going to put a little bit of a white frame around it. So I'm going to go ahead into the extension toolbar here and click selected area, and I'm going to give it a little bit of a wider space around the sides, but no wider space around the top because I don't like that white line on it. Okay, so let's go ahead and copy that. It's going to open up another browser window, and we'll click download image. So then we're going to go to this right arrow on the top, open that up and rename it. So then we'll click that, weird naming, and let's say screenshot 1A, and then I want to copy that so it's easy to find. Screenshot 1A. Okay, so now we're going to go back to Canva, into the upload section, and then click the purple button that says upload files, and then I'm going to paste in that new name, screenshot 1A. It's going to upload here, and we're going to drop that into this phone screen. Let's see if it looks better. It doesn't look better. What is happening? Here's the old one. It's still cutting off. Oh, okay. It's a little bit better, but not great. I think I like, no, I don't like that one because it cuts the logo off the top too. So I think what we need to do is open the Google Chrome back up here And I think we need to have a little more white space around it. So I'm going to go back to my email, pull out my newsletter, click selected area, and let's try, make it a little shorter this time and give it a little more white space around the top and the sides. Okay, and then let's download that and see if we get a better output this time. So we're going to open up that new screenshot, rename it, screenshot 2A. We're going to copy and paste that. So then we're going to go back to Canva, upload this new file, paste that into the search bar there, and I don't know why that's not popping up here. Maybe I forgot to save it. Oh, I didn't X out of that. Okay, now we should be able to find it. Finding files is tricky, so I like to always copy the name of the new file, and hopefully it works a little better. Okay, let's see what it looks like with some more white space around it. Not perfect, but I like this one better because it shows the top of the logo. It shows this little graphic here. So I think that looks pretty good. So now we're going to download, we're going to name this newsletter iPhone. All right, and I think that's it for this video. So if this has been helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and I would love to see the images that you make. So if you want to share those with me, that would be great. And don't forget to like, comment, and come back and watch more videos.